is a small yet beautiful country, rich in biodiversity and stunning landscapes. There's something super special about this country. It is known as the land of waterfalls, with over 500 stunning waterfalls. Sri Lanka has the highest waterfall density in the world. Why does this country have so many waterfalls? Sri Lanka has many rivers and streams that originate in the central highlands. As these water bodies flow from high altitudes to low areas, they create many waterfalls. The variety of waterfalls here is mind-blowing. Each one is a masterpiece. Sri Lanka should be on your bucket list.